No idea what's going on.
Sirain mo na.
Si Bako pa. So good. So see, this finger comes in handy when you open this one.
Baliktad pala.
Baliktad ba? Ganun ba dapat?
Yan,
Okay. Like a boy. Can I guess what it is first?
Oh, guess mo.
Huh?
Guess.
Oh, you bought me a box of A4 papers. Or might be a box inside the box. Thank you so much, Loco. Hope you love it. I love it, Marco, already. Okay. So there's a surprise inside the surprise. Okay. There's a box of chocolate. Thank you. But this one we will share. Can't eat it all at the same time. Okay. Okay, there's an apple.
Para healthy.
Well, I'm gonna bring this for sure tomorrow at work.
Galing Japan yan.
That's not an apple, that's an apple.
Japan apple.
Okay, there's another thing here. Wait, I'll just put this on the side first.
No, open this
Check
first.
ko kung meron pa. Teka lang.
Wala.
Open this first?
Ah, sige na. You check pa kung meron pa.
Oh, sige. Okay, there's something under here. Wow. Thank you for supporting my airsoft and supporting me on the life of camouflage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for you guys that don't know, I love airsoft and everything, and as you know, airsoft we use camouflage, so I love my wife. Thank you, mahal.
Picture muna.
Wala na, no? Wala na, no?
Ano?
Okay, so according to your instruction, which one first, Marco?
Ha?
Which one first dapat?
Yung chocolate first.
Open the chocolate. Thank you, mahal ko. Hoy, Daya, may poporon dito ah. Thank you, mahal ko. So ito yung next. Ito first before this. Okay. Okay. Thank you, mahal ko. Well, I did told my wife Jenai to buy me perfume, and she really did. Yeah, I love it.
Supplies for 6 months yan, ha?
That's my supply for this coming this 4 or 5. Okay. Now, upcoming gift. It sounds more close actually, so I believe it's according to the package. So let me see.
Don't look, open it first.
Don't look.
Oh.
Kind of hard actually.
Look.
Oh, mahal ko naman eh. Come on. Seriously? Mahal ko naman. You really bought me an iWatch, mahal ko. Thank you, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you for not putting all this time looking together.
Sige na. Nandito ako.
So this is the
Charger. Charger.
Oh, what's that in the middle?
Charger yun.
So this one is the watch. Wow. My first ever iWatch Mango. Maraming salamat, man. I love it.
Much.
Thank you so much.
Glad you like it.
I don't like it. I love it.
Mm.
Thank you, Malco. Thank you so much. Okay. Official iWatch only. Salamat, Malco. Thank you so much.
You wanna try it now?
Huh? Where's the wrist? Ah, so this is the wrist. So I can check online when people post this wrist on sale, right?
So you have two. You have the long one and the short one.
I think the short one's enough. Like this? Can't believe it, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man.
Kala mo wala kang gift, no?
I wasn't expecting actually. Because as I said, that everything, as long as I'm with you and everything, I'm happy. So how do I put it? It's like this, right?
Yeah.
Oh, like this?
Yep. Slide it in.
Slide in, right? This?
Yep.
No, this one. Need to take this out, right?
I think so. Yan, no? iWatch, oh.
Like this? Is it? There you go. Thank you, mahal. Thank you so much. I love it. There you go. Thank you, mahal. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. There you go, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
iWatch.